We are Padcaster, where mobile video meets professional video. And this is the Parrot Pro Teleprompter. The totally redesigned, ultra-portable, and professional way to turn any iOS or Android phone into a storytelling powerhouse. Incredibly simple to use, just snap, slide, tap, and go. A few years ago, our team developed the original Parrot, the world's most affordable and portable teleprompter. The response from the community was amazing.
I give this thing a 5 out of 5, no questions asked.
This is pretty cool.
That is incredible.
It's my absolute favorite.
It's fantastic. I highly recommend it. This is the best $100 I've ever spent.
And now, after years of thoughtful feedback from around the world, we're proud to introduce the all-new Padcaster Parrot Pro, a state-of-the-art design that's durable, compact, incredibly intuitive, and completely professional. It's still the original, still patented, and still the world's most affordable and portable teleprompter, only better. Perfect for vloggers, business executives, trainers, educators, scripted video production, foodies, YouTubers, literally anyone who wants to build a brand, tell their story, and connect with an audience. With the Parrot Pro, it's never been easier. We started by integrating technology that would make it simple to use the Parrot Pro on any DSLR, smartphone, mirrorless camera, point and shoot, action cam, webcam, and even zooming on a laptop. And as always, the Parrot Pro works perfectly with our included Bluetooth remote and free app for iOS and Android. With massive improvements and dedicated features, the Parrot Pro is uniquely designed to help you tell your story without the need to memorize scripts, look off camera, or stumble through your notes. The possibilities are limitless. We improved it to fit even the largest smartphones, and expanded the front so you can use it with wider lenses with no vignetting. We added a threaded mount on the bottom so it's easy to attach to any standard tripod or light stand. And to make using it even simpler, the clamp that holds your smartphone now doubles as a protective front cover that's impossible to lose. It's still got the same high-end beam splitter glass that the larger, more expensive prompters use, and all the most popular lens mounting rings to fit your favorite camera.
Hi, I'm Josh Apter, founder and CEO of Padcaster. Making the new and improved Parrot Pro teleprompter has been a highlight of our work here. My team and I are so excited to invite you to join us on this journey and help tell your stories better with the totally redesigned, ultra-portable, simple to use, and professional way to turn any iOS or Android phone into a storytelling powerhouse. And yes, if you're wondering, I'm using one right now too. Thanks for helping us bring the Parrot Pro and all its possibilities to life.
This is bitLighter, a portable light source for photographers and videographers. It is designed in the shape of a handheld flashlight, but has all the specs required for professional work. You can smoothly adjust the brightness and size of the light beam. This allows you to control the light with great flexibility. Use bitLighter for light accents, for backlight, for creative experiments, or even, as a flashlight. bitLighter is portable. You can hold it with one hand and take it with you to every photo shoot. It is perfect for wedding photography, for product photography, for portraits, for making videos, or heartwarming film photos. bitLighter has a high brightness level and a high-quality light. It is flicker-free. The temperature control system allows the torch to run for 2 hours at maximum level, or 60% brighter in the boost mode. bitLighter is reliable Its completely metal body protects it in a fall. Add some creativity to your shots. Make your photos more vibrant. Introduce your own personal touch into your artworks. Viewers will definitely appreciate it, and you will feel a new experience from the shooting process. Back us now to make this dream a reality.
Introducing Mood, the next generation of sound-reactive, water-resistant wireless lighting made for creators. Elevate your production lights and create immersive experiences like a pro. Now you can set the mood in a whole new way. Imagine a world where your lighting reacts to the music, creating a dynamic and exciting atmosphere. With Mood, this is now a reality. Get 10+ hours of brilliant dynamic lighting for your events and content, rain or shine. Mood is ultra bright and wireless, making it the perfect solution for any event. Whether you're hosting a party, shooting a music video, recording a podcast, or just want to add some ambience to your space, Mood is rechargeable and features a USB-C port for convenient fast charging, or plug it in for continuous use. It's also lightweight and portable, making it easy to take with you on the go. Instantly create a custom scene with Mood's wireless remote. Address individual lights, change their color, animation speed, brightness, and animated effect. Mood features ultra-bright full-spectrum RGB that will light up any space. Mood offers endless versatile mounting options with its Q20 universal mount. Use a wide variety of accessories to effortlessly mount Mood in every space. We made Mood to be ultra-durable and water-resistant, making it the perfect solution for running gun productions. With Mood, you can transform any space with just the touch of a button. Instantly activate over 250 sound-reactive effects for 10+ hours of reactive dynamic lighting.
I love using Mood on all of my photo and video shoots.
I love Mood for my podcast and streaming.
Mood is so easy to my photo shoot.
We made Mood for creators who want super impactful lighting that's affordable and easy to use. And now, we need your help to bring Mood to creators around the world. Save hundreds of dollars on sound-reactive, water-resistant LED perfect for stage, film, and events. Together, we can bring Mood to creators around the world. Bring the power of light into your life.
Have you ever had an epic shot in mind, but just couldn't get it, despite a camera bag full of gear? The Unleashed is the Swiss Army knife of camera accessories. It's tiny, but packed with features, and it's always ready to help you nail each shot. So you can easily take pro-level selfies, breathtaking astrophotos, creative light paintings, and epic holy grail time-lapses, and share them right from our app. We all enjoy creating beautiful photos, but don't you hate it when that shot you planned just doesn't come out like you had envisioned? Because you're either missing the right tool for the job, or your entire bag of camera gear seems to be working against you. Connection issues, a camera menu so daunting you've given up trying anything new, or the tool you could really use is out of battery or left at home. So instead of just enjoying your hobby, you're left annoyed and frustrated. I've been there. I'm Oliver. I love photography, but I'm also a passionate engineer. So problems like these always make me think there has got to be a better way. Back in 2006, I started a fun side project to finally have a practical solution to geotag my travel photos. When I wrote about it on photo forums, so many people asked to get one of my devices that I founded Photography. A few years later, you guys made our first Unleashed Kickstarter campaign for Nikon and Canon a great success. We did underestimate the project, but delivered. And our backers and many new customers have been super happy with the Unleashed. And now, by popular demand, we're finally launching the new Unleashed for nearly all mirrorless cameras as well as DSLRs. Sony, Fujifilm, Panasonic, and of course Canon EOS R and Nikon Z series. Most importantly, we made it super easy to use. Turn on your camera and the Unleashed will automatically reconnect to your smartphone. Control any of the numerous features from the Unleashed app. And once you've started a shot, the Unleashed will take care of the rest, so you can just sit back and enjoy the beautiful results. It's that simple. Like a Swiss Army knife, the Unleashed is tiny but packed full of features. Remote triggering for tripod shots and family photos, video recording even with multiple cameras, changing settings from our app without touching the camera, or direct in-camera geotagging using either your phone's location or a dedicated Bluetooth GPS. The Unleashed is also a full-featured time-lapse tool. It makes setting up any time-lapse a breeze, whether simple or requiring expert features like flexible intervals, minimized dark time, or month-long durations. It even brings holy grail time-lapses within reach for everyone. During these day-to-night transition time-lapses, the Unleashed will automatically adjust exposure settings using one of several algorithms to choose from. We're not limited to bulb ramping, but can actually ramp the camera's shutter speed, aperture, and ISO for daylight to Milky Way transitions. Did I mention that we can also sync time-lapses with the movement of motion controllers? Our LongExposure feature helps you take perfectly timed exposures up to 4.5 hours. To get rid of ND filter calculators, we even added a setting that will adjust the shutter speed for you when adding or removing ND filters. We implemented everything in the Unleashed itself, not the app, so as soon as you hit start, you don't have to worry about staying connected. Even if your phone battery dies, you walk out of range, or you close the app, the Unleashed will keep controlling the camera. Unlike other tools, the Unleashed uses Bluetooth, not Wi-Fi, so it pairs in seconds and reconnects automatically the instant you open the app. The new Unleashed has Bluetooth 5.0 and got 10 times faster, so you can now transfer high-resolution preview images to your phone, enable background download for quick review, or browse all photos in our new gallery view to download your favorites individually. Easily share on social media or with your family, right on the spot. The Unleashed is made in Germany and is the product of some serious German engineering. We reverse engineered protocols and learned to control every last detail of the cameras. The Unleashed is designed to stay attached directly to your camera's USB port and is powered by the camera battery, so it's always ready to use. And thanks to our intuitive app, you'll actually want to use it, and you will, all the time. So back us today and stop missing great shots just because you're missing the right gear. Don't let dead batteries or connection issues limit your creative freedom. The Unleashed is always ready. It won't take better pictures for you, but will empower you to nail each shot. Get your Unleashed and see how easy it can be to get those shots you always wanted. Check our campaign page for more details. Support us today and be one of the first to receive the new Unleashed.